maximizing productivity, unleashing the power of Microsoft 365. Are you looking to supercharge your productivity and collaboration? Look no further than Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to empower your business. Let's explore the different plans available to find the perfect fit for your needs. Microsoft 365 Business Basic, ideal for businesses that need easy remote solutions. This plan includes Exchange for Professional, OneDrive for cloud storage, SharePoint for team collaboration, Microsoft Teams for chat, meetings, and collaboration. All this at an affordable price. Microsoft 365 Business Standard. Perfect for businesses that need the full suite of Office apps, along with business basic features. You get desktop versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, along with Access and Publisher for PC users. Collaborate and create with the power of premium Office apps. Microsoft 365 Business Premium. For those who need advanced security and management capabilities, Microsoft 365 Business Premium is the way to go. In addition to everything in Business Standard, you get advanced security features like Microsoft Defender for Office 365, Intune for device management, Azure Information Protection to safeguard your business data. Lastly, we have Microsoft 365 Apps for Business. This plan is ideal if you only need Office apps without additional services. Get the latest versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, plus 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage per user, so your team can work seamlessly on any device. Want to learn more? Visit our website,